Hi friends, today I'm going to be making Chashu bento. This is one of my meal prep for a week. When you are preparing the vegetables, marinate chicken and pork in a delicious marinade, leave it overnight in the fridge and then roast in the oven. You can marinate the meat for up to 2 days and then you can store roasted chashaw for up to 5 days. It stores well and you can have a delicious meal in no time. Let's get started. Mix all the ingredients for the marinade well. Pat dry pork shoulder and then pour marinade. Remove the air as much as possible and put it in the fridge overnight for up to 2 days. Remove the excess skin and fibrous part from the chicken side and cut into 2. Poke all over the surface to season well. Drip off the excess marinade and place it in a baking tray. Pop in the preheated oven. Chicken can be done in 20 to 25 minutes, and the pork shoulder should be cooked for 10 more minutes. Brush marinade from time to season for a peeling finish. Let them sit for 10 minutes at least, and then cut into bite-sized pieces. This is an easy ramen egg for bento. Boil the egg for 8 minutes, peel and then wrap in a piece of plastic with a drizzle of teriyaki sauce. Today I am making it into rice bowl style bento. Pack cooked rice as much as you want. I suggest pack the amount of your rice bowl. And then put some vegetables from the meal prep. Put chashu on top and ramen egg in between the chashu and vegetables. Drizzle a little bit of teriyaki sauce. Easy to make but satisfying lunch. If you have meal prep and chashu in your fridge, you can make this delicious bento in 5 minutes. Much better than the store-bought. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And go to my website for more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!